It's McKinley Baptiste, and it feels like it's been about day 5,500 here on quarantine. I think I came home March 13th. It is now April 26th, and I'm still stuck at home. Probably just like most people around. Some good news though. Hopefully, May 8th, the stay-at-home order will be lifted, and then we can go see family and friends again. I'm really looking forward to that. And one of the hardest things on quarantine during this quarantine, but that's been for me is I haven't been able to watch sports, and I normally did that every night. More like specifically hockey. I watch hockey every night, and I watch sports all the time. So I was excited when I saw NBA. They're having workouts May 1st for players that are able to come into the gym, and that is a encouraging sign that that season may be starting up over the summer. Golf starting in June, which I don't really watch golf, but I'll pretty much watch anything now. Even NASCAR, their first race is in May, without fans, of course, but I would pretty much watch anything. I watched the draft this past weekend. That was kind of cool. And as you can see, that was, I think, the most watched draft ever. People are really starving for sports, and I'm one of them. But hopefully they'll be able to figure something out that they can do safely so that the players don't have to worry about coronavirus or catching coronavirus or anything. But I was excited to see that some former NHL players were talking about starting workouts May 15th, training camp starting in June, and then regular season games in July, and then going into a full playoffs at the end of July all the way through August, maybe into the early days of September. And they're talking about how they'll just play in like 4 different cities. And I don't know if Pittsburgh got to be one of those cities or not, but we'll see what the updates are. But some of the cities that they thought, I'm a Penguins fan, the Penguins might play would be Carolina or Columbus, where the numbers, or Raleigh in Carolina, where the numbers of the virus aren't that bad. But right now, it looks like where I'm at, Pennsylvania is on the peak, and I'm hoping a little bit of quarantine is going to end here. Still have the social distance, but I could really use the stay-at-home order being lifted, and maybe that lifts my spirits a bit. But we'll see what the news is on the next few days. I'm out.